Joining us now for Tap That Trade, Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor, and Alan Knuckman, an options trading pro. Here we go, guys, with round number one, working 9 to 9. Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba, says it's good to work that long. So are you working it?
I think it's an outrageous thing because I'd have to cut back my hours the way things are going right now.
I'm not good with math, but that's 72 hours a week.
Yeah, so all right.
If you're Jack Ma and you want your employees to work 72 hours a week, that's one thing.
Right.
It's good if you can whip them into shape and they do that.
You're right.
So if you look at Alibaba stock, looking like it's going to break out. It's been trading between 170 and 190 now for a couple months. That target's 210 back to the high. So he's doing something right. But the other guy that endorses this, JD.com, another Chinese tech firm, the other guy that endorses this, he called the people that don't do the 9 to 9, 6 days a week, called them slackers.
Yeah, they could be slackers, but they may actually have a life, which is something.
But the thing is, it's one thing if they got like performance bonuses or got stock options, maybe they would benefit from that. Look at JD.com, lean on the 25 support. It's been between 25 and 30, so this stock still has a lot more upside potential as China makes a comeback.
You work longer and smarter.
Harder.
Work smarter, not harder. On to round number two, 100% right or wrong. I've been doing this a long time. I tend to follow traders more than analysts, but this time you're going to have to pick a stock that has a 100 buy rating from the analyst. Name your stock.
I like Marathon Oil, and that's the stock that we talked about a few months ago on the show. And another one that's on that list that we talked about is Green Plains, which is an ethanol green energy company that we talked about a long time ago, and they both made the list, and we were ahead of the curve on that.
There were only two stocks that are like everyday stocks that everyone would know. Amazon was one, and so Dave & Buster's is another. I guess people know.
Why does everybody want to buy Dave & Buster's?
I don't know, but they're saying the analysts are all saying their buys. Okay, I'm going off the board as I usually do.
Okay.
So there are only two stocks on this list that had a majority of sell ratings. So who's the seller? Good. That's who. That'd be Campbell Soup.
Okay.
Campbell Soup is nice trading style. Here's made a triple bottom here. So I'm a distressed stock guy looking long term. So maybe some January options or something. So looking at this, it's been trading between 32 and 42. That target's 52 on a breakout. We're very close to the upper edge. So Campbell's Soup, I think, is better. Plus, all the analysts hate it, which makes me like it more.
Well, from a trader's viewpoint, actually, there are indicators that actually show when everybody's too bullish or too bearish, that's the time to fade the move.
I'm pretty contrarian, in case you hadn't noticed.
Round number three, count the ways the Dow was up 5,000 since the December low. Some say it should be up 10,000. So what's your prediction?
Should be. It should be. What's your prognostication, sir? Prognostication.
32,000 by year end. That's another 5,000 points. The distance of this V recovery on top of these highs. Now, it's a matter of when, not if, that we're going to make new highs. Obviously, tech's led the way. You know, somebody, and we're not going to name names, who says the market should be 10,000 points higher.
President Trump.
And he's talking his book. And guess what? He's going to do everything in his power to support the stock market. And that's his job in his mind. So why fight it? Why fight it?
I'll tell you what.
Don't fight it.
Go back and check the tape. When President Trump passed his tax book, we were getting the same kind of questions. What is this going to mean for the stock market? At that time, I said it may double, may even triple. And people said, "What do you double, triple? Are you out of your mind?" Heck, we've almost doubled.
Go with
since
the flow.
The Trump tax cut.
Keeping with the theme of politics and money today, we are on to your bonus round question. You all remember Vice President Dan Quayle. Well, today he works in the investment industry. He has made a big bulk of money in what stock? It happens to be in the car industry.
Automotive in it. I'm going to say...
Tesla?
No. I would say GM. GM.
Okay.
Wrong. The name of the stock is Carvana, the online used car company. Quayle has made $2.22 million with his investment.
Not bad for a guy that couldn't spell tomato.
But I didn't say that. I held back. For the record, I held back,
and I was
polite.
For Dan Quayle.
Is it OE or I? Or how do you spell potato or tomato?
Doesn't matter.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.